Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review at the Hux World, and today we do get the info for the battery life on the Galaxy Note 9. Now the question is the Galaxy Note 9 a beast or a super beast? Now I'm gonna tell you this much, yes, the Galaxy Note 9 is pushing with that 4,000 milliamp hour battery, but let's talk about it compared to the Galaxy Note 8. Now, the Galaxy Note 8, when it first came out, it was definitely a super beast up against the Galaxy S8 Plus with that 35 milliamp hour battery, and it performed like a champ. It came out the gate like a super beast. I'm telling you, the Galaxy Note 8 held its own from day one all the way up till today. So the Galaxy Note 8 in the battery life department is a beast. If you're considering it, I'm telling you, it is not a bad choice. But let's talk about the Galaxy Note 9. Now the battery life on the Galaxy Note 9 is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Now the question is, does that live up to its name? Now let's go ahead, let's check this out. Now, I did my testing. I beat it up all day as I normally do. Normally I come home with some battery life to spare, and I did, but I did the same testing I did on the Galaxy Note 9 that I did on the Galaxy Note 8, so it's almost identical. So let's take a look at it, right? Now, the Galaxy Note 9, here are the specs. So take a look at this. Now, what you're gonna see is that I've been on this thing for 15 hours and 50 minutes. Now, my screen on time is 4 hours and 48 minutes, people. Listen, this thing was doing it. I was beating it up all day. I got up at like 4:40, about 4:15 in the morning, and I took this thing off the hook, and it's been performing ever since. Now, this thing really gets down in the standby mode, so if you're not using your phone a lot, this phone is gonna last you a very, very long time. Now, does it really push past the Galaxy Note 8? Yes, it does. Numbers do not lie. Now, as you can see, definitely the Galaxy Note 9 is a beast. I wouldn't call it a super beast because I'm expecting more battery life out of a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. But compared to the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy Note 8 also performed. Now, if you look at it, the Galaxy Note 8 gave me 13 hours, 13 minutes and 11 seconds of battery time, and look how much battery percentage I got left. And also I get 3 hours and 43 minutes of on-screen time. Now that's awesome within itself, but yes, the Galaxy Note 9 did a little bit better in the battery department. But again, people, I was expecting more. If I'm looking at this wrong, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.